What's up guys? So I wanted to make a little build series on my trx450R right here. Pretty much I wanted to make it a stealthier, cooler looking quad, something unique. I'm gonna be camo wrapping it white, so it's gonna be a white camo. I'm gonna be blacking out some things like the wheels, the bumper, the guards right there. First off, I have to sand all the plastics, except this one because that's brand new. That flew off in a trailer and I had to get a new hood, kind of sucked. I'm gonna be making a custom LED light up front, so that's gonna be pretty interesting. I'm gonna try to lower it, just, I don't know, it's gonna be a unique quad. And just wanted to make a little build series, hope you guys enjoy it. Stay tuned, it's gonna be a dope looking quad by the end of this. By the way, if you don't exactly understand what I mean by a camo quad, a white camo, I'll try to drop in some pictures on the YouTube channel on this video. I mean, what am I saying? Yeah. So I'll try to drop in some pictures on this video showing kind of what I want. No one has a white camo quad that I know of, like a trx450R, so I should be the first one to do this. So it's gonna be pretty sick, and yeah, stay tuned. So the first step in this build series is to restore all my plastics because they look like crap. Anyways, I went to Home Depot and I got, I don't know where the heck it, oh there it is. So I got 150 grit sandpaper. It's like in a little cube, cost me like $2. Pretty much what I'm gonna do is just go back and forth on the plastics until they look fairly good. Then I'm gonna get a heat gun and I'm gonna heat up all the plastics. What that's gonna do is pretty much melt all the little cracks or whatever I have in my plastics. Oops. So it's gonna melt everything, all the little like holes, the scuffs, the, I don't know, the scratches on my plastics. And I will go back and re-sand that and it'll make it pretty much brand new, is what I've seen. So I read this thing online where you can take a razor to deep cuts in your plastic and you can pretty much shave it down just a little bit, not too much because then you'll ruin the plastic, but shave down a little bit everywhere where there's really deep cuts, and then you can take your sandpaper and go over it again and it'll look a lot better. Damn boy, look at this. It looks new. Dang. So right now, just grab your heat gun and pretty much heat up the plastic until it kind of starts melting. Do not melt a hole in it. Just go in small areas. Grab your wet towel or rag and just go over it. Your plastic should steam at least a little bit, and then just, again, do not make it too hot or you will melt a hole in your plastic. So pretty much, I'm gonna finish sanding the quad. I'm gonna bring it back into the garage, and then I'm gonna, next video, take off all the parts that I want to get painted, and we'll do that. So peace out till next time.